Hi guys, it's been long time since I make any videos. No, well, I owe everybody explanation and it better be good one. How long it's been? It's 2 years. It's hard to believe it's 2 years since I was making 3 or 4 or sometimes 5 videos every week and then I just stopped. No, well, what cost it? I do own explanation to everybody. Well, first of all, we unexpectedly end up on a market for shop for house because we've been living so long in one place and it was time to move on. And it took a while to find own home, first house in our life, in our marriage life, and in California prices very high, and it's been a long time took us. Not as long as can, but because we got great real estate agent, but still it was hustling and it was a lot to move because it was 21 years we've been living in one place. You know how much possession you collect in that much time and those things which is you don't need it, but you don't know until you start moving. No, well, that's what happened. And then we have to wait for some time to pack it because it's not easy to pack in our age. And well, we have to wait for church to provide transportation for us, big trailer, what we can move, and it took another few months to do so. And then when we finally we did got, as you can see, this is a new setup. As you can see around me, it's our new place, and well, we got a huge place. It's a manufactured home, but it's double size, and it's in a senior park one of those days. But it's no HOA, no swimming pool here, no clubhouse. It's mean no big HOA fees for us, and well, but it's still been challenging time because it's kind of fixer upper. We're still fixing this place, and as you can see, I finally painted my walls the way what I wanted, and through some curtains on window because this family room where I'm sitting right now in my office, it's really on the sun all day long. I have to put something on the windows because blinds is not helping much, and in the bright time of the day. And well, that was kind of hustling, right? I can explain at least maybe half year with all this course. And then it's just like as soon as we moved and tried to settle and put stuff around and donate most of our possessions because when we get older, we realize how little actually we need. We found great charity in this town. It's a charity helping adult disabled people. We make some friends through that charity and got some help through them and donated a lot, and it's been a blessing. It's been a challenging time but blessing time. And of course, it's been again challenging time, and then I got diagnosed with cancer last year, and it took me a while to go through surgery and healed up after that, and they got so much out of me, what thanks Lord I did not need to go through any chemotherapy. And then another, but it took another half year probably to live through it. And then our dog, remember our big shepherd, we will he got cancer and we had to take care of him. We really tried to save him. He was older guy, like about 14 years old, but still, it's your baby. You have to take care of them. That's what, if you have it, you have to take care of them. No, well, that's what took us while, a lot of time and effort and money, and of course, it's been challenging time, and not mention car crashes came in our life, and shopping for new vehicles. But thanks God, we survived through all of it. Well, and the main thing what happened in these 2 years, and I have to tell you about it, what's kept and still keeping my attention, still keeping my effort, still keeping my nerves and time and all of it. My heart is there. It's war in Ukraine, and I'm Ukrainian woman, and my family is still there. And it's been just a terrible time. And 10 hours difference in time. No, while I've been on internet day and night, literally, just to pick up some of news, some good news. And it's been very little good news, you know that, and it's still going on. Full scale war there, and nation fighting, my people fighting for very existence. Well, that's why all my hearts and prayers still there. But because it's been 2 years, Well, Google about to close my account because it's been dead channel. No, well, that's a reason why I don't want to drop it as dead channel. I put too much effort to keep it going from beginning, and well, it's been like 300 videos on this channel. That's why I decide, no, I will keep continue. I will keep continue, and I'm not giving up to enemy. I'm not giving up to enemy. I'm not giving up to all the circumstances, and well, I cannot promise to be the same like I did before, to making so many videos in 1 week, but at least one a week I can come up with. But again, because of my new place and new priorities, it's a little bit different. Probably we will not get soon to making new dresses or clothes or whatever I promised to you before, because kind of situation for me changed. But what we will do, because I'm doing a lot of household jobs, crafting and sewing for house, because it's a house we got finally to take care about it. No, well, it will be some crazy videos, such as I have like about right now 4 on my mind, which is I will be busy with that for next month. Probably at least one video a week, and probably will be preferably Wednesdays for that postings. And what it's going to be, it's going to be something how easy to get your little privacy going on with some very little effort, almost no sewing practically effort, and you can provide some really good privacy for yourself. And well, what else is this? My kitty behind me, because this is her time to get sunbathe on the sun on my table. While I let her. She's 15 years old. She can do whatever she wanted. And well, what else? Making net type umbrellas, which is very helpful. Yeah, I bet you never thought about it, putting guard net on umbrella instead fabric, because when winds pick up, wind going right through, and you can keep open that umbrella any time of the day and night. You don't ever need to close it, because it will be not closed by windy weather, because wind go right through it. It's very handy. I am making 2 of them right now. I already make one, but somehow umbrella got broken. Not my fabric part, not a net part, but umbrella got broken. I have to change it. That will be another video probably, or maybe few even, and some other stuff, some little stuff, which is, if you want to stick around, please watch for it, and getting back on the track. And thank you, God, for all your prayers, for those who pray. If for those who stick to me, by the way, my amount of subscribers in these 2 years, what I did not do nothing, double it anyway, because I guess it's some timeless suggestions what I have in those videos. Some timeless suggestions which can help, if it's helping anybody. I really, that's what this channel about, and I really appreciate all your interest and all your help. Thank you, guys. See you next video. Bye bye.